If you've been looking for the easiest digital side hustle that you can do going into 2026, bring in extra retirement income, one that helped me earn over $21,000 in the last 7 days, you are in the right place, my friend. And you don't want to know the crazy part? I was sick all last week, like full on sick, coughing, fever, congestion, wrapped in a blanket, laying on the couch with my dog type of sick. I wasn't posting, I wasn't filming, and I wasn't working on my business. That income still came in. This is the power of what I'm about to share with you today in this video. So how I built an automated online income that works even when I can't. So if you're feeling short for retirement, like overwhelmed by inflation or craving more breathing room in your finances, I get it. You're exactly who I made this video for. And if we haven't met yet, I'm Wendy, a 57-year-old glammy from Ontario, Canada, and I help fellow midlifers to escape the grind and create flexible income that they can take anywhere. My husband and I, we got our financial act together late in life, and we realized something. If something didn't change, we would both be working well past 65 just to survive retirement, let alone any type of thriving in retirement. Then I became a grandma about 9 years ago, and suddenly the desire for more time, for more memory making, to have more freedom, it really hit me hard. I wanted to say yes to the things that mattered, but inside I really felt stuck. I was stuck financially to a job, I was stuck with my time, and I was stuck with the lifestyle that I had. I tried things to generate extra money, a little bit of side hustles, and overall lost money on my journey, and I got kind of discouraged. And I finally realized if I didn't learn a different way to earn, next year I'd be in the exact same place. So this was the moment everything changed for me. Now, before I show you what I discovered next, and if you're already thinking, Wendy, I need a path like this, you're going to want to grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's the exact step-by-step roadmap that I personally used to build this business while I was still working full-time. You're going to find it in the description below. All right, let me show you what happened next. When I started searching for ways to earn online, I wasn't looking for some kind of magic fix. I was looking for education, because education is the shortcut to getting to where I wanted to go. It gives you skills, it gives you clarity, it gives you a roadmap, so you don't waste months trying to figure it all out on your own. I found a 10-week digital marketing program offered by a college. You can see it right here. And the price was $2,500, and that's in US currency. And I'm a Canadian, so you figure it out. They teach you for 10 weeks learning and understanding digital marketing. And then it's over. You got no community, no coaching, no business, no resale rights, no ongoing support, just education, and then you're on your own. So that's the traditional way, right? When we go to school, that's what happens. But I didn't just want education. I wanted education that actually led me to income. So when I found the e-learning program that I am now in, everything shifted. It was a live interactive program. It was updated weekly, there was community support, and it was taught by successful digital marketers, like million-dollar digital marketers. But the part that really blew my mind, that this program came with what we call the master resale rights. So while you're learning from this live interactive program, all the tools and strategies and things you need, you also get the ability to resell the exact program and make 100% profit. Like, this blew my mind. So unlike the other program, right, that I would pay $2,500 for 10 weeks, traditional method way of learning, which we're all used to, go for an online program, an e-learning program that is less than half the price, ongoing live support, and it gave me my first product to sell. Like 100% able to resell the exact program to make 100% profit. And this was live, and I got to learn, and I got the support I needed. So to me, it was a no-brainer. It made the most sense for where I was in life. It gave me both an education and a business. And that was like the major turning point for me. And once I started learning the right skill set, everything clicked. Because here's the truth. Once you learn digital marketing skill set, it doesn't matter what you're selling. You could be selling digital products, you could be selling courses, affiliate offers, coaching, Amazon products, even a brick and mortar business. The skill set is the same. And that's why this program became such a game changer. So let me break down exactly what I learned. Digital marketing is simply learning how to show up online in a way that attracts the right people, builds trust, and connects them with the solution they're already searching for. It's not salesy, it's not spammy, and it's not chasing people. It's communicating in a way that makes someone say, this is exactly what I needed. It's a transferable skill. And it's in high demand because this is what Forbes says, digital marketing is on the rise. So if you learn an in-demand skill set, something that people are wanting to learn, this is what helps you to create an income in the online space. Before this program, digital marketing felt really kind of overwhelming. But inside the training, they made it simple, like with short step-by-step videos. It was very beginner-friendly explanations, real examples, strategies that actually work right now. And as someone who wasn't techie, like I am not techie at all when I started, this made everything feel doable. The program also taught me the value of automation. And honestly, this is the key to time freedom. I was actually given a pre-built sales funnel, an automated email sequence, capture page, customizable website that was pre-built for me, step-by-step training. These are normally techie parts that scare people. How on earth am I to build a website, right? But it was already built for me, and that made the huge difference. Automation is the reason that I can make money while I was sick this past week, while I'm traveling or at the trailer spending time with my grandkids. My old job kept me stuck in one place. This business gives me the portability and flexibility that I had always dreamed of. I also learned affiliate marketing and how to build my own digital product, how to create memberships, how to stack income streams, how to grow all this without any paid ads, right? Nothing. I now have over 19 different income streams. That means 19 different ways that money flows into my bank account. Another huge part of the program was learning how to drive traffic for free using social media, right? Like I said, no paid ads. I started my journey on TikTok, and about a year ago, I shifted to YouTube. And for the last 7 months, I've really taken YouTube seriously. And honestly, like YouTube has been one of the best decisions that I ever made. And here's why. Your videos work 24/7. YouTube brings people to you. You build deeper trust with people. It's more of a stable, long-term platform, and you get paid. Like my YouTube channel is now monetized, which means YouTube actually pays me to grow my business. Like how friggin' awesome is that? Here's what YouTube paid me the past 28 days. And none of that is included in that $21,000 that I gave you in the beginning. That is all additional money what I made this past week. So if you're like, Wendy, yes, I really need to start YouTube, or I need to learn how to grow the channel that I already have, I gotcha. You can grab my YouTube Success Starter Kit right here, totally free, linked in the description below. And it shows you the exact steps that I used to grow and monetize my channel. So let me clear something up. You do not need to be an influencer. Like I started with 0 followers, 0, zilch. I had no strategy, I had no experience, and Facebook was just where I posted my pictures of my grandkids. So what matters is wanting to learn. When you show up with a mindset that I want to learn and teach my brain new tricks and strategies, then you can learn. This program teaches you exactly how to grow, learn, implement, and start. If you want to understand how this entire interactive digital program works, then I highly recommend watching the free class that we put together for you. You can find it in the description below and just have a watch. And if you want to see how I used this exact strategy that I just taught you in this video to make over $650,000 in my first year, then you're going to want to watch this video here. And when you pair that with everything I just taught you about in this video, it's going to kind of click. You're going to have a total light bulb moment on how this can totally work for you too. I'll see you over there, my friend.
Hi. Hi. Hi.